Introducing the 2021 Seat Ateca PA 2.0 TDEU 115 HP XP 5DR in a striking red exterior colour with the 183.87 km under its belt, packed with features like air conditioning, satellite navigation and multiple airbags for safety. The interior offers cup holders, below seat storage and luxury trimming. This vehicle also boasts security features like ABS, collision avoidance braking and smart card entry. With a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer to specification and a comprehensive warranty, you can have peace of mind. Contact us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information on this fantastic vehicle.